Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Shah. I am currently an intern at Sparks Foundation. Today I am going to explain my task, that is Exploratory Data Analysis Retail. As a business manager, my task is to find all the weak areas where I can improve and work to make more profit, and find all business problems by exploring the data. Here I have imported pandas as PD, matplotlib as MPL, import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, imported cbon as SNS, and also taken the command percentage matplotlib inline, which automatically shows the plots. And you have read the CSV file, SampleSuperstore.csv, and given the name as data. Here you can find the data. Here I have given the function header, which displays first 4 rows of the data. As you can see, there are 13 columns: chip mode, segment, country, city, state, postal code, region, category, subcategory, sales, quantity, discount, profit. And here is info of the data, displays all the information about the data. As you can see, 13 columns, 9894 entries, and describes the data on various factors like count, mean, standard deviation, maximum, minimum values, etc. And also I have checked here null values. As you can see, there are no zero null values. And I have also dropped the non-essential column, that is country and postal code, which is not necessary for the data analysis. and and I have checked for duplicates and deleted the duplicates. You can see a function taken from duplicated.sum and drop the duplicated. Now checking for maximum sales and max profit. As you can see, the maximum sales is 22,638, maximum profit 8,399, and also total sales made, total profit earned. Total sales made is 22,94,599, and total profit earned is 22,86,097. And here I have checked for correlation of data. As as I have concluded, observe that sales and quantity has positive correlation, sales and discount has negative correlation but somewhat weak. Sales and profit has positive correlation, somewhat strong. Quantity and discount has zero. This is no correlation. Quantity profit has correlation, but somewhat weak. And discount and profit has negative correlation. Profit and discount, we can say negative correlation. As you can see, I have showed the data in a heat map. As you can see, sales, quantity, profit are related, and respective values are given in the heat map. And the column ship mode, as you can see, there are 4 unique values, that is standard class, second class, first class, same class, and they have n unique entries. And have ship mode in a pair plot, which displays all the information about sales, quantity, discount, and profit. And you can see pair plot is used to understand the best set of features to explain the relationship between profit, sales, quantity, and discount. Pair plot also helps us to form some simple classification models by drawing some simple lines or to make linear separation in a data set. Also, pair plot visualization gives data relationship between them, where then variables can be continuous or categorical. And you have taken the count plot of ship mode. As you can see, we can say that the most preferred ship mode is a standard class and the least preferred ship mode is the same day. Now grouping the ship mode, profit sales per ship mode. You can see we have taken this group by function to group the profit sales per ship mode. Here is the chart of the same. So we can say that this standard class has the most profit and sales, and same day has lowest sales and profit. Next, heading to the category column. As you can see, category has 3 unique values, that is office supplies, furniture, technologies, and each has a unique entries. Office supply has 5986 entries, furniture has 214, technology has 184 entries. And same we have applied here in the pie chart. As you can see, we have applied the pie chart and we have concluded that office supply has maximum buyers and technology has least buyers. And now grouping the sales and profit per categories. As you can see here, furniture, office supplies, technologies grouped in sales and profits, and same has been displayed in a bar chart. Here is the bar chart of the category sales and profit. As you can say, observe that technology category products have maximum sales and profits. Technology products maximum and profit. Office supplies categories products have maximum sales, and furniture products has least profit. And compared to office supplies furniture has maximum sales, but profit is low. Add into subcategory, and in the subcategory we have first grouped the subcategory and find out the profits on each subcategories, like copiers, phones, etc. everything here. And as we have grouped, and the other we have grouped the sales per subcategory items. So as you can see here, so by observing the data here, both profit and sales on subcategories. So copiers, phones, accessories are the subcategory products that have maximum profits. As you can see, the copiers, phones, accessories have maximum profits, but phones, storage, chairs have maximum sales. And same has been displayed on a bar chart, as you can see here. You can see here profit, as you can see here, copies has maximum profits and tables has least and negative profits. We have suffered huge loss here in tables. And also phones has maximum sales, and similarly chairs has maximum sales, slight change compared to phones, and fasteners and labels have least sales. And here you can see subcategories, unique entries, total buyers, and same and displayed in the pie chart. As you can see here, subcategory items As by observing the pie chart, we have concluded that the major distribution business are from binders, papers, and furnishing. That is, most sales are from binders, papers, and furnishing, and therefore minor distribution business are from copiers. That is, least buyers are from copiers. Next, heading to category, subcategory, combined columns. Find out their sales and profit per category, subcategory items. Sales of category, subcategory. As you can see, we have tried to plot the bar chart of the category, subcategory items. You can observe here. Take furniture. We have chairs has maximum sales, and office supplies storage has maximum sales. And in the technology subcategory, phones have maximum sales. As you can observe here, all the category subcategory items sales. So we can observe that maximum sales are in phones, that is technology, chairs, that is furniture, and storage, office supplies, maximum sales, and minimum sales are in fasteners, labels, and envelopes, office supplies. So similarly, profits also finding. As you can see, we have taken all the plots here. In furniture, we can say that tables have lowest profit, that is, we have suffered huge losses in tables. And office supplies, we have also taken some losses in supplies and good profit in papers. And in technology category, copiers, we have good profit. Here's the combined category subcategory on profits. So we can observe that maximum profit are in copiers, phones, accessories, those are the technologies, and most loss are in tables, bookcases, and supplies. Now heading to the state column, and we have displayed the state unique values in form of bar chart. As you can see, this is the bar chart, and by observing the bar chart, so the highest state in most buyers and sales from California, New York, and Texas. So California has the maximum sales and buyers, conclude that, and West Virginia, Wyoming has the lowest sales and buyers. Now coming to segment portion of sales. Segment portion of sales, that is consumer, corporate, office, home office, and by this try to display that in a pie chart. By then, as you can see that is in the pie chart, and we found the pie chart, we conclude that so consumer segment has maximum share, and office, home office has least share, and corporate office has some medium size share. And next heading to region, and you can see we have grouped the sales and profit per region, and we can see that West region has maximum sales and maximum profit, and least sales and profit are from South region. And we have same data displayed in a bar chart. You can see a data displayed in a bar chart, plotted this bar chart, sales and profit based on regions. So from bar chart we can conclude that Western region has the maximum sales and profit, and Southern region has lowest sales and profit. Southern region has lowest sales, but profit is greatly later than Central, and Center has lowest profit. Relation between profit and discount. Now net profit and discount, and we have to find the correlation between discount and profit. As you can see that discount profit has negative correlation, that is minus 0.2119 negative correlation, and have that and also we have tried to display discount profit in a line plot, as you can see here. So by seeing this line plot, we can conclude that profit and discount has negative effect. This is the pair plot of the data, and from this pair plot we can also say that comparing the relations between each other, as discount increases, as the discount increases, profit decreases. Profit decreases. Similarly, as discount increases, sales also decreases. As good observation is that as sales increases, profit increases. This is the real plot, similar to this one. As you can see, discount sales profit relation. As discount increases, profit decreases, and as discount increases, sales decreases. As sales increase, profit increases. And we can see here, we have made these observations by analyzing the data. You can read this. Thank you, that's it.